Hello guys, my name is Hoodbrook and welcome back to my channel. So guys, you're still on a Photoshop tutorials, and today I'm going to show you something very simple and short. It's not so complicated, but you're going to love to use this kind of design in most of your projects. And this thing is called the dual lighting effect, which other people call the double color effect. So to begin, I'm going to open Photoshop and I'm going to upload my image, the image I'm going to use for this kind of effect. So I'm going to go to File, then Open. So I select the image I want to use, then Open. Okay guys, so I now have my image in Photoshop. Most people prefer using the colored image for this kind of dual effect, but I prefer using the black and white. So to do that, I'm going to change my image to black and white, and to do that I have to go to my adjustment setting below. You can see this round circle divided into two. Just click on it, then go to your black and white. Sure guys, so I now have my picture in black and white. I'm just going to adjust the curves a bit just because I need a little bit of the shadow. So I'm going to go back to my adjustment, then curves. Above is for your lightening effect and below is for the shadow. So I'm going to play around with the darker part. So I'm just going to move the line below so I have my shadows to the way I want them. Then release. Sure. So I'm now done with my black and white and my curves. So I'm going to merge all these three together as one. So I'm going to make sure I have my first layer selected, hold my shift, then select the last layer, that's the image, then Ctrl+E to merge. Sure. So I have my three layers merged together as one. So the next thing to do is apply my gradient color. So to do that, I'm going to create a new layer first. So guys, to apply my colors, I'm going to go back to my adjustment, then create a gradient. Yeah. So I'm going to change the angle for my gradient from 90 degrees to 0, and I'm going to change the color from black. So I'm going to click on this, then double click on the black below to change my color. So I'm going to change it from black to, I think, blue. Yeah, a bit brighter. Yes. Then I'm going to change my transparency to a bit darker. Make sure I see it's covering the image totally. Then release. Then okay. Yeah, okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is change my blending options. So I'm going to move it from normal to all color. Yeah. Then I'm going to duplicate this layer, Ctrl+J to duplicate. Then this time I double click on the color, then change my angle from 0 to opposite direction, which is 180. So from 0 to 180. Yeah, sorry, double click again, from 0 to 180. Then I'm going to change the color all the way from blue to a brighter color, to double click. Then I change it from blue to maybe pink. Yeah, pink is okay. Then decrease the opacity a bit to get this blending effect. Sure. Then okay. So guys, if you could see, I'm getting this blending effect of the blue and pink together. So if I'm okay with what I see, I just click OK, and this is how the dual effect happens. It's very simple and very short, as I just thought. So if you keep on doing this kind of designs, you could be working with 3-4 colors, and basically you can use this in most designs, your flyers, your posters, and you're really going to love it. So the last thing I have for you is, since I'm okay with the image, I'm going to merge the 3 layers together as we did before. So I'm going to make sure I select my first layer, hold my shift, then select my last layer, then Ctrl+E to merge. Or you could just right click on the image, then go all the way to merge layers. So I now have my images, my layers merged, and then the next thing to do is just save the image. So guys, this is what I have for you today, and until we meet again, is bye bye.